呀，各位聽眾，歡迎嚟收聽今日好嘅節目。你聽這個禮拜我講未了呢嚇，所以這個禮拜我嚟開始，佢就接落去另外一節我講未了嘅這個 QQ 嘅話題，所以我接落去聽 QQ 嘅話題當然。
可憐。
最後。
即係
可憐。
我可憐啊！伊未對去馬來西亞，伊本是唔愛對去馬來西亞了。
你講啦，實到。安裝嚟講，我有爸爸新嘅一代爸爸有可能較好啊。所以 I'm sure 成個講嚟南西嘅 generation 嚟講，你會驚住，你會 feel 到你較 open to the idea，你別成你看到你朋友 struggle，especially 有 gay friends 嘅啦，你看到你朋友 struggle 咧，你 feel 到。我感覺到啦，成個我爸爸，我唔是講有你爸爸無好，伊無想搞，就是頭一條吼，伊人嘅 society，你要 answer to the society before you answer to your own child 咋？變咗你嘅 priority 是你嘅面水過，尤其是人長人咯，Asian 只係先咧，你面水要經過你嘅驚字歡喜無歡喜嘅咯。
是，所以你 expect 伊會死人嘅係咪咯？
你變咗一世人變歡喜咯，你為咗變追。
是。講真是，let's say 我嘅囝是安尼看啦嚇，我會 encourage 伊 out of Malaysia 咯。我叫伊走，我買地先㗎。
你看伊無正多得第一邊。
真嘅是，真 Malaysia 是無正多，幸苦。我看陣喺 Facebook 哦，我係 gay friend 嚟 speak，I mean 我係 gay friend，因為 Facebook 搞了 Malaysia 嘅啦，無 open 咯。真係無 open，樣啲 Facebook 樣 share 嘅了，我英文看袂到伊嘅 partner 嘅喎。
係。
你咪有看袂到伊嘅 partner，我先條歪，你愛 share 就 share 出來講，何佢世界講你是 gay。
唔知，我冇得笑 Alex 嘅面起嚟。
你咩笑？你所以唔是隔了啦，唔是隔了。
more than
70% 啦，啊，隔了是無 share 伊嘅 private life 出來咯。
But of course 啦 I can understand。when I see 我大邊我被 that's why 我被大 Malaysia 就是 because 我 feel 到 especially 我嘅 personality 我嘅 out 啊。
And fabulous.
What surprise? Yes. Look, you cannot control my shine. You know why? My sparkle. Boleh, saya will go blind. You will go blind.
John.
你被有影放個了出來 ，because 你愛一個人，你愛 show 你 love 哦，你是愛放個了出來嘅嘛，咁冇緣，你有影 in love 嘅事。
Yeah.
你個袂使互人知哦，哇，梗係幸福。
And actually, 我唔是驚，我唔是講要學佢世界人知，我要學知嘅人是。
呢個全係講嘅話。
鬥嘅。because 係咪有人
？Actually sorry 啊，我數名講我 actually agree with 林石所講嘅面嘅咯，因為 really 講真嘅一句，我有這 feeling 就是我唔敢放出來。因為我喺 Facebook 裏邊，我有我嘅 family 喺那邊搬。
對。
So sometimes I feel 到 insecure for me to put 個了出來。我講唔知嗱點解是安怎，我知我嘅 sister 嗱是被安怎，但係我唔知我嘅 mother feeling 係安怎嘅時候，伊發覺掉咯。
對。Because that's the only thing. Because especially Asian children concern of coming out it's not for themselves. It's for the parents. 樣to be protect 伊嘅 parents。唔使講伊人嘅安怎做人激心做人煩惱。especially 尤其是較有會咧，你咪去家嘅人。So I understand why 變逼這個 call 啦，我變逼。
I mean, even like white case where I'm already out to my family, but still my mother in my extended family to know. In my God said yes, sisters so whoever contact what was in see啦。
係啦，那其實老係啦，你明件事嘅講。
Yeah, but
I mean, so my mother only concern is it doesn't want the family to know, but she's fine with, because of course it was a bit difficult when I first came out. Then, but it is sooner or later they started to be able to accept 咯。
阿毛你講咩？阿毛點啊？
你人看你有時就曝光就好啦。我曝光，隔了人分快掉。
對 ，that's another extra element 嚇，人無去想到。
有咧親戚我真正濟年無看無拄着，因為真濟是在英國啦。個有這邊嘅我10幾年無拄着伊人，所以我就不要緊啦。伊人 gossip 啊，何人知啦？特別我免拄着伊人，所以無去插。
Actually 我，yeah，你要走啊？
Yeah, 3點了。
OK， 感謝，感謝阿毛，感謝。
OK， 感謝，
Good night，
拜拜。
But boy, you love your two daddies, don't you? You love your two daddies. Good boy.
阿仔，需要阿仔嚟看。
嗱，阿仔。
需要阿仔。
阿仔，buddy. Hello, buddy.
阿仔。
你真係是背起嗬？
阿仔細啊，寶寶要發啊？
發嚟啲哦。
寶寶要發哦。
背起啊！
阿寶要發咩？個發啊，嚕。哦。
即係是講緊幾點？
我差唔多上邊你學見啦咯，差唔多個報告完整嘅啦嚇，當今差唔多我講about 1點鐘23，所以報告完整嘅啦，可能1點半鐘咧。但係你人 OK， 你人有係咪要 share about 即係 the whole topic discussion？
我 feel 到啲 Malaysia 啊，即係只坎坷可能 accept 個老闆咯。這是第一入邊啊 formulation 啊，反正只坎坷想人上 generation 嚟說都 OK 個，你反正你對條 parents 啊 ，especially festive 嘅時啊，你俾佢按做答應嘅問題啊，你只尷尬啊，嗰種嘅 feeling。
我咁配 ，actually 我 sister 掛讀嗰陣阿婆，我 sister 掛讀啊，我係見啦。問話呢條是 H 跑波，所以我係 in happen 我 sister 搞咗點啊？我 sister 搞第一個我係見講我 ，is 個大 boy， and then 我伊個 reaction 哦，個佢變佢假頭看個波看個頭關。
Actually, sometimes it takes people like that to teach them a lesson.
Yeah. I think maybe these days I social friends I just tell them I don't care. They don't care lah. You can accept, you accept.
You can call come out to like 朋友，你can call.
Just blurt it out 咯。
You know what?
嗱，買單都become 變配得搞嗰時。
You know what? Actually, this morning 我喺度想。I mean, and it's a privilege. I feel like what would a privilege to see. I don't have to come out for a long time, you know, because when you every day. Okay, so professionally, I'm very out at work, and that's part of my duty, and that's part of my contribution for being myself, right? So, what feel that now hockey it means what every aspect of my life, what rasa to be control, and that's why sometimes when gay men or not just gay men, the LGBT community feel wait, there's like, why do I have to have pride? You know, like every day is pride to me, but that you just have to remind yourself that not everybody have that luxury and that privilege.
Actually 我俾講一項本啊，人講啊，coming out 上個特擺是誒好嘅物件，特別我成日較濟到啊，嘅咁人哋 come out 是唔是學別人嘅，好是學你家己嘅好呢？
Yeah.
So 有會到啊，都唔使 come out 誒，人都知啦，你後面準備 成個自路嘅 lifestyle 去。
But okay, so I have an answer. What answer? What answer that is come out. What it quantity coming out a power on the public side. So you have to think like an activist as a collective, because coming out means if you let the world know about your QQ-ness. That means you are normalizing the group of people that they sometimes don't think or realize they have exposure to. So when
tapi hari tanpa presumptuous lang ulang open to normalization, ulang bo open to normalization, but ilang live with it provided lu bo cho his xiao.
But it's up to that. It's still an individual choice. Coming out is an individual choice. Look, I choose to come out as I'm not saying that everybody should come out, but I do believe that when there are more people coming out, more of your friends would know that there's more gay people than you think. So when but those
Stonewall.
But John,
Stonewall. Nasi Stonewall bo happen. Pun si bo be tan lang benefits lang equality and equan. What ben back and equan. Tapi uwe sangka what pun phe lang la ipun si kong wa ka wa la. Ilang kong what gao ga sangka te phe lang kong wa what gao ga lat ja kui hui. 我係嘛是90幾歲，我都無夠應。一般地就我想一般地就債了，特別我那時現出來講可以聽，呢個先唔話了。
Yeah, that's why 我講 coming out 是一個屬人家己嘅 personal choice 嚟。Because you be protect, sometimes you be protect you elder 老嘅 parents， you men 你無需要可以讓 go through that trauma or that experience。
你特別小啦，你要出來是和你家己甘願，還是你要正和你嘅定價會變變。
Yeah, yes， 我懂嘅。
But John。Coming out it's not an issue, but the thing is when you coming out, right? 來看啲身邊人accept 不？
好啦，豆嘅我甲你講啦 ，as a mother 我嗱生你好好照來甲你問講真啦，查甫是接受 ，strict man。行過接受嘅嘢，講真嘅，我是嘅，especially
那是學老闆，
你愛甲伊講真正清楚。
我是舊一晚得講嘅，講我冇佢係傳播嘅，伊講真係冇係傳播。我本來了，我冇佢係過得死人，我講我冇係傳，我肯解講。
你香港就冇清楚。
那個冇清楚，你partially呢？
阿 John sorry， 人嗰邊人那是被看住你，安怎看住你 John？
你別看，你是去
pride48.com。pride48.com。
Yeah， 我代表你 pride48.com。Yeah， go ahead。
是啊，我 I mean mother 是 accept 嘅，是真嘅 ，mother 係 accept 嘅，是講你安怎解講嘅啊？mother 個 accept，伊 maybe 會激死，但係佢講可能以前那激死，伊會考會安怎嘅？但 after all 為咗一個時間咧，伊慢慢伊會接受。
你俾可以讓有機會看到你是歡喜嘅，但 I think that's the thing。你再講你嘅 life is good， and sometimes I feel that when you come out you have to be better than other people. You almost have to prove to them, your parents, that hey, I am more successful, I am better, and I am happier than ever.
Actually, one comment on what Ngọc Tường講啦, okay, you know, whether is it issue of pushing your lifestyle into other people's faces, because like even like in Malaysia especially, where there's always this very bad stereotype of the LGBT people. Okay? So that's why one of the reasons that that I come up to them is to educate them and say that, hey, all this now they always think that they think that you're unstraight, But no, then when I tell them that no, I'm not straight, then they show them that hey, actually we are just as normal as they are. Okay, I'm not going to ask you that come join me Waki disco or something like that. I just want to show them that we are just as normal as they are.
Yeah, and
我哋創時我係成部嘅朋友個了講，誒，邊數？
咁冇教錯噃？
你部 girlfriend 啊？你部 girlfriend？
哎呦，我知 I understand。
嘅妹咧。
我會變阿爸咯，我 accept 會變阿爸咯。
係啦，我係 parents。
近視咗就都妹啊嘛，就你 question。
Why I I've started to take it as a compliment. I was like, oh, 一個哇，你眼頭個冇錯噃，對唔對？係咪你 playboy 啊？這個 friend 咧，係咪 what's that？
冇啦，講話超。
Because here's the reason. I don't deal with those people because there's no reason that I have to. You know? Because those people, why do I have to go through that for them? That when I want to be out, I want to be out to the right people. For instance, why decision is because I know it's gonna be an issue, right? Because look at the why and you're gonna take my whole fucking self. And so what feel the okay, this is a gay podcast in Penang Hokkien. Because why present why a gayness as part of how I present my Chinese heritage, why Hokkien influence. It's just one part of me. That's why 我冇大 topic。有啦，往時講到想看到大波啊，泵油啊，看到大波未記冚啊，泵油嚟掛你有講到啊，得啦咪是在特別你個故事 ，that's part of the story. That is not like the whole agenda, like gay agenda. But I don't. 我冇冚啊，I've never denied it. In fact.Earlier on, 較早嘅時，本來學嘅咪都 start 嘅時，即係人 attack my website because once you start with attention 咧，就即係人 attack， 即係人 attack because of why 用 why gayness 嚟 attack 我 show 的。我講哇，呢個查甫型啊，一笑成個查甫呢，你講話成個查甫係咪？我講yes, I know. That's why I have a show. แล้วThat shut everybody up. Like all the haters who come and just say, "哎呦，你似查甫型啊！"我講please 啊，我唔知啊。I don't need you to tell me.
Yeah, I know more myself than you.
我舊老講咗，我頂咪好，我就講嘛，แล้ว我叫 share 學朋友講，即係你本身 podcast 啊，本身 podcast 啊，聽人聽嗬，我舊老講咁咧 straight man 聽了，舊我講係咪啊？我唔係聽 English 嘅。
Yes.
我聽電話梗係使擺嘅定要。對。What's wrong with the gay? What's wrong? Then it's gay podcast 咪 gay podcast 啊。
冇，伊驚講聽小姐啊，嗬，聽我。伊驚講聽我聲。
你家己本變 gay 嘛，是唔是？
伊講聽我聲小姐啊，嗬，可能伊聽我 episode 200咧，嗬，學險走入去，不去索人嘅爛姐。
我要小姐了也就 infected 的。
係啦，但我一起啊，就變 gay 了。Yeah, okay. 南西 yes， 南西對。南西對，我真正借我要聽這，哇！點解我 forum 咪來叫？
我覺得講唔係。我就 understand 咯，你係成正咯，我本跳咯，海人講啊，我先做 what's wrong with gay？ 聽嘛，so long you enjoy my air 啦，關鍵是 gay 嗰時 straight 嗰時唔會㗎冇。
But yes, that's my education opportunity, right? That is when I have the activism of me is like when I want to present myself, I want to better give you the whole self and not just浸波我哋看了時間嚟 deny 啊，唔知是唔是？我都嗌到來買到爽 because I know this is gonna be for a long run。我 show 就變真正久嘅，所以我唔使講晶片正下邊。And on top of that， 我 already out 嘅一年啊，嗬 ，I'm not going back into the closet, please。
你我妹女啊，就嗱我妹女。Okay. I want to learn from your parents. 意思講 because 你兩兄弟本是 gay 嘛。
對。
咁冇。So 你 at first 你 parent 伊人是安怎？樣是先是樣是安怎呢？樣知。
Like when you find out about 我啷事。
When they find out, yes. 哦，啷解講嘅是。
Okay, so what I can tell you after so many years, what sum up, what summary? So sorry， 我講就係English 是 because 我冇咩關係用福建話嚟講嘅即係 topic。But 我感覺到伊人做咩事會接受，就是因為伊人。為想到頭一條，唔是想到伊人家己生，伊先想到伊人嘅囝子。So when 我人 come out 對伊嚟說，我 come out 就是是，伊感覺到伊激心，唔是激心我人是嘅，特別伊激心是講我人 go through 20幾年嘅 struggle，伊無機會嚟，伊人無機會嚟 guide 我人，無機會嚟甲人講 it's okay。So to me 是伊人想到的是我人有歡喜無歡喜，伊無去想到講就是看人講你無好啦，蝦米物件你無好，伊想到的是伊 focus 是我人囝子，伊唔是 focus 到伊人家己。真正這人啊 opposed to the idea of your children coming out 是因為伊人為了伊人家己面水。
伊人
安怎交代？安怎去甲人交代？你話做我無變，我安怎交代？人小條下一條線，但我嘅爸母頭一句話講就是，哎喲，你 go through all that， 我人做爸母無到底你身邊，你明唔明？
特別啊，John， 我會問你 ，John， 我會問你，伊人唔捌講聽伊人有到時候會驚孫。
OK， 無喎 ，because 我一落來 from 細漢起，我就甲我媽講 ，I don't think 我被傳播。
馬是 OK， 甲你講馬是 OK。
我爸不 OK， 我爸只少咧，我爸是地酷嘅人都咧。
淡薄呀，可能爸會淡薄得啦，馬是完全冇得嘅。
Well， 我 parents， but 我講唔是我 parents 唔是 typical Asian parents， so 伊人。Again， 伊人想到對我歡喜，但是講伊人袂驚字啊，做我人我都買驚字，硬硬做互伊歡喜來袂有驚字。伊人本是感覺到我袂歡喜咯，所以伊人無愛做，所以伊人想對我人歡喜無歡喜是頭一條咯。佢講人愛我人愛人知唔知講我是gay，還是我袂有驚，還是安怎咯 ？Of course, what being big gong? Yeah, if I'm straight, I'm sure they would expect gasuna nakwana. But to them, what is the priority? Priority 是伊樣嘅囝子嘅歡喜，唔是 whether 樣嘅做阿公啊做阿媽。Of course， 我 feel 到那是講樣有 choice。Of course 樣袂係啦，but they realize the choice is better for me to be happy than it is for them to be happy to want to have grandchildren。
即個甲了做爸母嘅，把都聽掉嘅，就要愛去聽了愛想者吼。對。I mean 聽掉嘅爸母啦，I mean 甲了做了爸母嘅人是。
對，你人我咪就你做對你做馬嘅人，係我俾再講about before 人冚大，要死差唔多兩點鐘，maybe I split 咗 two show。Split 咗 two shows ，okay， 就 2 hours。That means what at the end 我就俾 record 嚟 opening and closing。
講 hello 啊。
特別係我俾每兩塊，你講啲 advice 啊 ，for those 人嘅這邊嘅 gay 人㗎了，嗰是參 gay 嘅人，你安怎 advice 什麼先男仔講，你俾再講俾了解你嘅件事，好像要緊是你件事歡喜性，你俾安怎 advice 人？ What advice would you give a parents with gay children or QQ children? What?
Just love them, no, just love them for who they are, you know. Because I think that if you know them, you fail as a parent now. Because you know that parents like you are supposed to love your children, and if you can't even do that, then you know. What sort of parent are you?
Any other advice for parents? Okay, why advice is you be careful what you say. even when they're young. Because 你細漢嘅時啊，你特別有英國有一個學有你嘅家庭特別是一個可以讓 feel 到是一個 safe place。冇插你當今你驚是 gay 唔是？你別使講 treat them like straight until they are gay. Then okay, then I'll change it. You always have to like them and treat them and love them as who they are. Doesn't matter if gay or straight 本好。So that 伊人會 grow up 嘅時候。伊人會被 feel 到講，我唔敢對厝，甲爸母講 the struggle。
都是下咧第一坎坷啦，嗰時爸母你要安怎，你就被 control 伊人嘅家己嘅 upbringing， 伊人家己嘅 background。所以你嘅爸母你細漢時，你若是聽到你嘅爸母啊、罵人啊，哎呀，
保曉啊，
是查某兄，
偷阿瓜，
是偷阿瓜，你若是聽到下咧，你細漢時若是聽到安尼款，你就驚頭先咯。
That's my advice is
對唔對
be careful。
對，阿姨嚟講，
Because 這裡歪了你咪，
你把驚歪，
講咗，你特別。你拗出嚟起來淡薄，拗起來淡薄，一直嚟出嚟。
像把路咧，我是無 stop， 我會驚，伊暑假會驚。即係講伊暑假 pink color，伊暑假你講講伊陣間是藍色嘅喎，我聽我講我冇暑假藍色嘅。It's fine to me，我唔係講我。
這裡是阿 John， 這裡是頭嘅，這是我哋都，這是港配，這是南西，這裡是毛毛菇，媽咪白毛毛菇，媽咪白。
我未講佢 limit 講伊經係咪食，嗰是伊暑假唔驚，但係講伊暑假你得幫你，你 OK 啦。
Because actually 你家驚嗬，頂到人家驚個當今家驚無相啊。你家驚，你家人 value， 你家人be compassionate， 家人 about something deeper than 打波特別去踢 football， 打波特別去加做咩啊？播 NG。
查某特別去煮物件
煮食你當你 value 特別較 broad， 你特別教人較 deep 嘅 value， 你嘛成日是囡仔所以教伊即個 simple 嘅物件，你會使教人較 deep 嘅物件。
of course 都會教講，即係食是摸打波去食，即係查某去食，安尼款。特別你袂使
你是即安尼無好了，你袂使講安尼款嘅物件。
特別你袂使 force 伊講，你但要愛經下面食。因為咧，細個係家己 confuse， 伊講我暑假拼喎，特別安怎咧㗎冇伊，嗱所講特別即係拼是搞到人講是查某食嚟喎。然後我會甲伊講 ，it's up to you， 你愛經拼我垃圾拼水，咪也拼咯。因為我有個朋友喎，因為看到講，你好你驚情啊，你無驚咩？伊是打波嚟喎，打波嘛打波啦，伊做咩別情咩？
你 NS 真係 one crack mind 啊。
有不？少年歪，人本有啊，少年鬼歪，parent 本thinking 本是 just。
Yeah, it's you have to make an effort to do that. But 微娃娃把你 message 話，recording 是幾日啊？
但都齋小事咧。
一個叫咪 join 啊，嗬？我叫佢recording 是幾日？แล้วAnother thing, okay. What else? What advice? And I kind of because why concern here? What even ever since what come out, and then what? That's another reason why what we out to the public is the steps, the path that what kia law. One I feel the young gay people or QQ or anybody QQ, if they don't have to take all the turns, just go straight to it. That's why I want to share what path so that you say, okay, remember what 我講，我想講我係幾人成款嘅。When you exposed to 較濟人嘅時，成我只播 podcast online 只，even 到邊嚟學嘅唔好，有人 privately email 好啊，講 Oh my gosh, I thought I was the only one 啊，係咪咪嘅？So when we're out, you see, there's a certain value to it. Even if it's one person that you touch, do already make a huge difference on that person's life. And whether or not I come out but they feel they're not alone. And then the next thing is what hurts me the most is young people killing themselves because they cannot deal with it. Because the safest place,感覺第一安全嘅所在就是讓自己出來人自己爸母，但是伊感覺第一爸母被接受伊人來講吼，伊人無為走嘅時，有嚟走去自殺，係咧是我感覺是第一隻壓第一心痛咧。
最好再講最好就是咪有一個責任互 public， 對你家己有責任就好了。
係咪嘅？
即是講有責任互家己，無互責任互外口，咪去看安怎講
外口人插亂啊。
Yes, and then of course 你對你家己 parents 最好呢，就是你家講咯。
最好啊，只要嚟家講先好。
對，啊啦，有那是你嘅 situation 會 allow 啦 ，because 我頭時邊我本是有差唔多㗎。But after what come out here, I think after what out within a year and a half, maybe 一年 slightly over a year. 我差唔多一年呢，看到我都 come out to my parents 啊 ，because 人妹，我 already 係試我都 start 拍拖嘅 Bruce 嘛，所以我成日我係 tricksy。Eventually 我再講我被。Because it's such a precious thing for me, you know. When we're in a relationship, I want to be able to 我嚟啊！歡迎，你到外口呀？
我到外口。
對，你未記啊？
佢哋到呢？
我是未記啦，我是未記，我未記，我是自己。然後咁玩好啦。你個 food 嘅咯，
你 food review 下
對。
哦。But anyway， 我就會講。
安怎講咗下面？
等我講啊，等我講咩啊？我講一半。Oh yeah. Okay. Bruce, what feel the why a happiness, why a part of why a companion 嚇，你why partner is that it's a huge part of my life, right? Do companion or somebody that make you happy. Of course, I feel like I want to share that with my parents. So what the part 上講，我咪成日講keep it a secret from them. So 我頭個講我個 Bruce 我去吹 Bruce 係咩嘅？Every weekend 我去吹 Bruce 我教 parents 講佢得this weekend 我去吹 Bruce 係咩嘅？This weekend Bruce 嚟吹我係咩嘅？你就每位個我 parents 你記走去每位個，最主要是 Bruce 啊。Make sure 伊嘅 friend OK 啊，伊參呢隻安尼隻 ，because 我個我是第四行嘅嘛。So 我個就講 OK good opportunity let's come out together。我個講啦，我講 when the time comes let's do it together。安尼咯，就頭but我人 actually 用 email because 我人特別講嘛。But a benefit to emailing is 你有點聲可以人笑。So 你嘅 the reaction that I remembered is the reaction that I read. Maybe between that time until ilang email reply in a few hours, ilang maybe will react negatively, but then realize that that was impulse or that was like wrong, and then the email response was corrected or rectified. So at least there is an opportunity. The memory that I have of the coming out experience is so much better because there's time for them to process on their own, then reply to us.
可能我冇年要去食一頓好食嘅飯，
其實哎呦，琴日去食榴蓮城。嚇？
和榴蓮咯。
哦，唔要緊啦，我唔是講真隻小榴蓮。
不過我跟你講，成日講你講物件我我 I think 最近我有 experience 到就是讲我 parents 有成日讲教育我本啦。
每女真是冇教應啊！即是表嘅話，
我袂吹到好啱個喎。
你教應個，
你之後講講你袂吹到好啱。
所以人講哈咪吹到好啱，我講我是愛騎好啱嘅喎，我唔是愛騎。แล้วอี人就講對唔對？แล้วI think from there I have already given them a hint แล้ว I think one mother get 到係咪意思咯？So อี人 of course อี人未平時接受咯，對，อี人未係而家咧，伊會少會打講你對一刀伊就唔對一刀對一刀就唔對一刀嚟講，我學 answer 本啦，我本學伊講 answer 啦，咧有一日嘛是我有教我媽就講我講有物件被逼咯，แล้ว我本咪去害人咯，就都because ก็หาตัว example แต่ก็ว่าสิ่งที่จะเสีย already 是married แล้วมาแล้ว married แล้วอีหลังก็走出來
OK 錯啊再講個件事嘅特別個教應嚇 to cover up 然後呢
所以我有講我咪有呢可能情形發生啦我咪ในความ情形發生ถึงว่าso ว่า rather อันฟันว่าคุยว่าจิตดี咯ว่าในความใจ講咯so
我另外一我go ahead finish your thought
so บรรลุ伊會較 accept 啦ในความ啦
it takes time 啦 because 你若是講你 let's say 你睇10年20年 feel comfortable to come out 你 don't expect 你 parents over one conversation 嚟 accept 你本啊 because 因為唔是講見你是講伊人 already build up 呢幾年 certain expectation 啊要俾換 expectation to be give them some time 們
係咯
我俾每路人about dating scene in Malaysia 有 because 聽到我甲微微話我傾過人講到成個真正歹找到 companion like real relationship gay scene especially particularly 我唔知 lesbian scene 我唔知 but at least 人講
係啊我我看來咧就係講前兩學嘅咧 a few of them 就การคุยกันติดตาโหอะไรฟ้าน่ะlike แบบว่าแล้วที่หาแค่น่ะโอเค but ตัวว่า
circle
情嚟ตัวว่า circle 嚟看咧少時就真正亂嘅真正亂咯
Actually, I always feel that is not a gay thing or a straight thing. That's a people thing.
伊 behavior 嚟，
人嚟講，但是講你講人嚟講，你學少講咯 ，and then 就講國家 serious 嘅就是講不如嘅情形嗬，是講就講我殺 can 啊。Aku tu kong look picture tu picture you kong do another one then three of them together and
That means a circle of friends is not the right circle.
So
Roger.
But the thing is commonly like 講我就講 but commonly 個 Facebook 嘅 group 又好啦 ，Line 啊 WeChat 嘅 group 又好嗬。
Yeah, you know what? Okay, I always tell this. We will always because you're in it. Lu成個lu 到底最裏面，lu 是嘅surrounded by it here. Lu 成個 of course is to lu 是成個 lu that is the norm. But when you step outside from this circle, because 現在這裡，我唔是講 I'm not judging because I have friends who are in a 叫咩啊
non-monogamous.
Yeah, non-monogamous, open relationship and everything. Yeah, and that's fine. That's like that. It's all up to them to deal with, right? You don't have to answer to anybody, right? 都冇form能填的嘛。So, 其實 that's up to you. But when typically when 成日講one committed relationship 人 circle. Typically, yung key within that circle 就叫 so 你特別 expand 你 horizon 然後 go outside of 你 typical because 你看到可能係呢 of course 你 circle 你看到係像嘅group 嚟
Can I comment about what you want Okay, 這裡是 again like what John 講咯 is within the group that you time because furthermore, being gay, this is convenient for us because, like the book, we're not tied down by marriage or anything, or even society as so-called heterosexual society as standards that cannot try to sleep around something. But again, I think sometimes it's equal the friends that you hang around with. There are groups that are they are into more healthy activities. Then there are groups that are into sleeping around and more broader tolerance about this promiscuity lah. Okay, so 這是看 like you say 咯，講你 join 咯 there's certain people who 樣就是or 會people who just 愛出來要行樣要 go find the relationship but 就是樣 maybe 唔是只全部嘛don't give up. There are people out there.
Yeah, don't give up.
Anh có tiếng comment?
Sorry, what to go? Tôi聽được.
To go. The issue
là. Sorry, I did do. Go me.
What is it called? We were in a circle. That most people are more promiscuous. If I'm not too judgmental using that word, okay, but I said that even in Penang there are groups, of people who are also looking to settle down. So just you just need to look more carefully.
Look 未使 generalize。我講是人㗎了是一人嘅款。人 gay 嘅人本是上加 straight 嘅人，有嘅佢跳嘅，有嘅靠上加我講書本啦，上加愛一人爾，了來愛嘅人愛你爾，唔係愛別人嘅。So 你有安尼款嘅啦。So 第一要件是你是下面會看嘅人，你特別較少個別人嘅 feelings 啦。
Yeah, as long as 你隨到對啱你嘅人咯，你是我是I'm very liberal in that sense. It's up to you. I mean, whatever works out. So 隨到對你咪if you circle，咁了是prefer open relationships and everything, then go beyond that. But sometimes the problem that I see for Wiwiwa is that how do you find that circle is the problem, right?
Sorry?
How do you find those people?
係啦，依是冇辦法，是講基莫隨基咯，冇你要基去隨佢基 ，right？
But I'm sure there's still I'm still
那先我不รู้是按照講咧，我不รู้成日少談咯，แล้ว
focus on I mean other aspect of your life lah, especially.
Focus on my job and also my blog.
That sometimes it's a good. That's a healthier way when you're not looking. The best one will come to you because when you're desperate, you see how.
人會注意，人會感覺。
你是講咩？我講咩？
我 feel 就講 after 我 focus on my blog 啦，then 變做我點先變少啲。
Yeah, but who cares, right?
歡喜就好。
變做
人咩？
แล้ว變做變做有個人我就講話冇點寫背啊，冇點寫背衣啊，點樣呢款啊，so
But that means that he's not the right person.
but meanwhile 當時我是single 咯，不要緊。但我聽過條長衫啦，當時咧
你會記嘅嗰條長衫。
就是係對話都知哦，當時咧學緊係dinner 啦。
哎呦，佢真 desperate 了。我講你聽啊。微微爸爸過來嘅時，咱嗰陣播教嘅時，咱食錢嘅時候，一直到啲巴哈佢請到嗰條長衫咧，後坐條 speedboat 來啊，啪，你去海貝。Tapi siapa nak lah, Bibi bawa mang lu focus on something beyond that, bigger than try to try. Because sometimes the desperation is like that lor. I feel the only relationship 有人想，伊真正 attached to relationship 就，你 feel the relationship completes you 了就，所以變做你 always 在個真正大條樹嘅那款啊。When you focus on 你自己，別人就 attract to you 啦。
順其自然。
你看有嚟查甫吼，伊達到 attract 到 married man 嘅喎，你達到做生意嘅。
啊，對，少。
啊，本來有嚟查，我查有啲朋友嚟講你嗰陣，意思講，伊就是愛伊無心愛隨 married man 嘅，但伊達到就是和 married man 撈掉。
Because he feel because married men they offer something different because ilang from in a relationship okay 即人講人講 okay 人對 this straight heterosexual society and norm and everything so monogamy and all that okay it's only on the outside that it appeared that way please straight men monogamy please they have to not to say that they're none of them but 真正濟人看到哦伊是教應啊所以唔是真正 please
伊人本事到啦
打波就是打波啦
打波唔好啦上嘅啦自己嘅水跟上嘅啦自己抱起來
我點解冇明白
伊冇明白啊會話嘛 that means 你只濟人講做咩事嘅 society 嗬，按卡
promiscuous，
卡 promiscuous， 卡真正卡了去吹部 open
relationship。你講錯嘢啦，係人困啦。
冇對我嚟講，我 straight 嘅 straight，總之是打波，伊嘅有嗬，伊就是有了嘅。無關是 straight or gay。
That's another factor. Male sexuality 冇像個查某 sexuality 咁。
對 ，male 是被但行被較濟。
嗯。
對，並不要背會話嘛？冇並不要對佢 explain 嘅咯。
唔係，我等你先嚟先，我咧都繼續講。
OK。
這 speedboat 嚟先。
咩？這上班嘅 speedboat， 後尾搭摩托上班。
喂，冇準啊嘛，條俾炸機殺過啊！
唔係啦，肯定 tsunami 啊嚟少。
大家都冇 tsunami。一起做小有 tsunami。
微娃娃，你應該對我人期望嘅，本來學嘅呢多啦，少你 food blog 啊。
多啲。
多，人 announce 幾時啊？8號9號10號。
哎呦，安尼幾節啊？
係啦。
攞咩？
一possible呢？一棒。
Hello。
特別我冇插錄啦，我冇插錄咪去，我是講嗱是講你對灣去講你嗰陣時你 blog 嘛，我人去食 from 檳城食個去吉隆坡食個都係檳城嘛。
有你對那就係 blog 試下咯就。
特別我單都直接咧。
係你另外啦，係你另外啊。
我你都冇夠我傾。
哈，對，你冇 contact 我咧。
嚟啊，羅根。
究竟แล้วติดปิ้งเก่าไก่หลังแล้วคุยกันกับโค้ชเขาเอง
係咪嘅？我聽未到你講咩？你聲上到啲上班入面，你講你聲講句。
Hello，你聽我講當劍是傾界條嘅人，當講話條嘅人是個แล้วคุยกันถึงจะโค้ชเขาเองเรียกกันไลฟ์
Oh. Yeah, I mean yes. I mean, 你是講啦，我嘅
按照 whole，what is the definition of whole?
Yeah, what is whole? Yes.
A definition of the whole รู้ definition
ไม่เสีย
What's the definition
ในความโน้ตอ่างแล้วในความโอ้โหคุยดีในความสิ่ง
Yeah, if lu yeah, I mean, of course, relationship is relationship. Relationship it has to be worked on. But yeah, other than that, yes, I'm very happy.
นี่เราเปลี่ยนหมู่กับสี
但係你都俾除掉啱嘅人咯。What's you feel that the luckiest thing for my relationship is that we both are looking for the same thing. That's the thing. Compatibility is the hardest thing to find. Because that's sexual compatibility. There's like personality compatibility. That's elements that become together. But sometimes
dietary compatibility.
Actually dietary 冇咯。我係教我是個食以前只阿冇食我成個食我特別是個食個另外食是唔食，特別我是個食你等人食冇是個食你食正會講冇比冇傻。Well, so but you work on it. You work on it. Everything is not perfect, but we're happy together when 汪做只 SC 汪講歡喜。I trust him. He trusts me. I love him. He loves me. So that's good lah. To me, I also the expectation 不忙小關啦，微微娃娃。Tapi I always feel 到，係咪嘅？你條件小關下講句你聲冇咪好事講句。
No， 我嚟對。
我又未聽得清楚啊！
我唔知你講咪微微娃娃你聲。
嗰時愛真係 highly sexy。
哇！
以後可能咯。
所以隨便掉一看介相，你看你
哇！
你講嘅嘛，咁冇 because 冇 right and wrong 啦。
對。
即係我會講介紹興趣，然後會人講，唔是行路啊，講行路啊。
自己講行路。來 ，okay, let's go into it. Let's get into it. Okay, we only have about 10 minutes to go because somebody else is coming in.
Cabo.
What kind of ball king there?
Sorry.
哦哈，咁好嘢喂！我呢啲做極，舊話講佢做極嘛，所以聽到。next show 係咩啊？
嚇 immature？係
咪
immature？
你講係咪嘅？
我講 next show 是幾兩 show I think 是。Oh my god, we went on for only 2 hours. Oh no. Is that right? Oh no. Wait, what time is the next show? I think next show is Okay, you guys continue. Okay, I'll keep check on because what might take over the feed 呢個。
你講話是南派嚟呀？
我嚟啦。
啊，是啊。
是啦，我哋了解路嘅嘛。
係啦，掉啦，你成了解話了。
我就知啊。冇 right and wrong 啦，所以你嘛 go for 下你特。
小姐嘅地可是地佢話誒，所謂地入是
冇咩見念是唔是？
แล้วดูอันความ做แล้ว就係着嘛。
嗱 pattern 啊冇夠正。
勁特別 train 你嘛？
都 train 咯。
微娃娃是 Lucy 是較少年是唔是？還是少年是較 Lu？
我較老嘅。
哦，那每
experience 咧有 skill 咧。
每一間咯，每一個D2 or D2 加英國中。那邊就除唔掉啦，你煲啦，你煲 always 是佢除掉你自嘅，你咪去自嘢吹老嘢。
阿 John，
喂，
阿 John， 錯咗阿 John， 英國中是屬於老嘅，所以冇咁。
No， 對，那邊冇，我是叫人 discuss 個安裝去除老嘅。
安裝去除啊！哎呀，我係先一嚟請
啊！嗱，你話我聽。
ก็แผ่นหอจะนำตู้เดียวเห่าแซ่แล้วจะเสียนแล้วอ่ะ
就是啦，你 of course 你去吹，你去參加你後生嘅做啫，你人真去吹老嘅。
我只係 Facebook 呢啲嘅特別好多嚟 at Y 後生。
啊，你咪插意咯。
係咯。OK 啦，實不for the example 就是講實特別有我就係 hook up 嘅 apps 嘛，對哦。所以話講你可以隨到隻 hook up 嘅 apps 咯。就是講你買你後生，你咪是嚟 download Grindr 咪用。你 Jack 啦
，OK，let's start。
嗱，我寫咩啊？你啊 ，actually 我哋都啊嘛，你齋冇，馬來西亞你被吹彈。
啊，唔記，所以有條冇。
馬來西亞會，
等，我人講話，I think 微娃娃你講掉，微娃娃等陣啊，講掉你講咩？
我被講我哋都聽。馬來西亞嘅位，你若是 log in 用馬來西亞嘅 IP 啊 ，in other words 你用馬來西亞嘅 provider， 你被 connect กับ Silver Daddies 啊，我 queue 俾。
哦 ，Silver Daddies is an app 啊，or website？
No, Silver Daddies 是website。
哦。
One of my friends, they always like to hook up with the Silver Daddies coming to Malaysia.
Silver Daddies is
lu to back on VPN and Malaysia 係稱呼 ban Silver Daddies
哎呦，唔知 ban Silver Daddies 啦，呢就係even like Planet Romeo 啊，已經咪still ban 你嘛。But as long as you have say VPN, then do the access to all this.
咩用 VPN 嚇
？OK， 隔浪八刀時間，微娃娃人就用啊。OK，咱去食車時間，人就用 please 可能除咗老翁，啊冇嘅時你兩個係少年人除誒。微娃娃若是有少年人除你啊，你都俾真正歡喜，你知道？講 at least 個有人愛，你知道？
啊，我想，我別照顧人嘛，
你冇啦 ，at least 再講你，因為你冇再講又唔是potential，不過你再講 at least 有人愛咯。咁你較衰就是人少年唔買老，不買還是你就衰哦。
我少年，你買少年，特別老嘅買路。
你就俾除掉啦 ，find the right circle，internet makes it so easy。
Even like clubs and everything，有時候咪是講快嘅，你入邊就 right club 咯。
That's why 我跟你講嗱，當然公開咯，嗬，現在學緊你啊，好多時人愛隨我係在隨我。
邊學嘅 circle 呢？是放較快，其實對你 proper 嘅circle。
你愛是成熟啦，唔是老啦，好似咩老一千俾10歲咧。
嗱，你講掉。
如果就目前俾10歲啦。
你講掉阿公嘛？你講咩？你講阿公嗰邊讀乜事
？AKK。
哎呀，公。誒，等陣我俾載，可能是講你 share 啦，毛菇，你個 ICN 都白嘅。
online 咯。
哦。
冇啦，冇pasar malam lah, mana pasar malam online 啦。pasar malam 啲咁好嚇。
冇唔是，即係 微娃娃特啲pasar malam 嚟靚浪嘅嘅，唔是微娃娃。毛毛菇，其實特別靚浪話咧 ICI 嚟群到一條路啊。你又近到8件哦，哎呀3塊半，哎呀貴啦，2塊半喲。你講 OK 啦，2塊差唔多女啦 ，OK 啦。
原來是2塊貴。
未啊，就傻咧，冇攤興嘅，這回。
冇攤氣啊！
誒，南西一包豆豉該3塊半。
係啊，我5件。
哎呀！
阿 John，你有捌經驗嘅你看無？我去美國嘅時候，我甲我朋友也袂過先啫。人佇坐咯，佇食嘅時，人甲了朋友啦，人佇講話，然後伊人袂邊啊，你安怎拄着你嘅朋友？所以是人講啦，所以人講我去一個站板是哪出名嘅，我睇下去，然後嗰一個講。哦，我去所啦，就拄着伊啲嘅 steam room 啦，伊來幫我嘅卡啦。然後佢哋講，我去伊個花卉，然後伊互我看伊個臉，哇，我就愛伊了。然後 我來教教我係朋友時，我梗係見笑一句，我買講為人聽。Actually 是我係香港特別善負介紹人嘅，見笑一句。
so cute 今日咁啤嘅人係
好啦，
係咪真咁啤？
我要 expect something hot and saucy and juicy。
好啦，到時。
其實好笑。然後 OK 差唔多。哎呦 OK recording，我 recording 發 skip 去另外一個啊 ，because 當時幾點我唔知差唔多6點鐘嘅啊，所以我特別差唔多要看大咯，準備報唱歌，看完來人為我要報唱嘅物件，除了拍廣告嘅機嚟咯。
哇！
微爸爸要吹卡
阿 John
哈到嘅。
阿 John 你別記問伊讀書，發現咗伊是
QQ。其實伊未出事就知啊！微爸爸，你其實學知講你嘅 QQ。
我是落來細漢啊，就打咗咯。
幾歲
呀？然後32啊，那款吧。
32是。
本時啊，講開聲咯，
我談邊啊話啦。
你6歲。
你話講歲。
安怎知啊？意思講，咱安怎知？意思講，咱是屬格打波，嗰時講到人安怎會知？
呢時我就想我講嘛，呢時即唔是 sexual 嘅呢時，你講我
就知是 baby 嘅事。
阿 John 應該係細啩。
呢時未曉 sex 嘛，所以我是講 maybe 是個看，你講你看咧，你what the day in describe 講你就你 feel 你先話談我即你 feel 係我，
哈，之後你佢做起嚟，哎呦，成個你成個哎呦，你變
都冇料字，都冇料字，都其實係格冷嘅嘛，字結哦。
What experience start from standard 2的 start
？standard 2是安怎知？是因為你 fall in love with 一個 boy or
I think
安怎？
我 standard 2啊時
啊，你安怎會知？
我是學人當會咯。
哦，
耶！means
what？耶！
諗下 discuss 過啊，係咪話？I mean privately 講過啦，特別唔知你 publicly 咪講過啊。
我嘛 standard 2、standard 3嘅時，甲我嘅朋友去比爛。
我乜做啊？你看咯 ，all this while。I mean, never got friends called Kiki lah. I show you, you show me 啊。
咱不是無看啦，咱不是當嘅，咱當嘅，望嘅。
哦 ，exploration。
哈。
compare。yeah。
แล้วสิ because of อันนี้ควรลังก็ใจ or actually before men อันนั้น
before 啦
before 是上但係我較早時講，即係 before 你入來男仔，我諗講嘅是就是你嘅 attraction 啊，是你 feel， 我講咩啊？你 you're drawn to it， 成啊你唔知，伊唔是 sexual， 但係唔是無 feel 嘅 sexual， 特別你成啊哇，你就是成啊 attracted by 佢。打波誒身軀加還是變 ，actually 對我嚟講，哈哈，
一領影呢，看到一蕊水嘅花，安尼看呢，
即 natural 都看到，係咪一蕊水嘅花咩？
嚇，花啦，花有蕊花，你看啦，咁蕊咪就係水嘅花咯。
冇了。
但係時喎，我都看電視啊時啊，都看戲啊時，都是看打波時會看打波
誒。
是咯，咪是大媽講嘅咯，看波呢時是看打波，無看雜波嘅咯。
So for 一個 straight 嘅 man，
我啦，咁細漢啊時無你有看波嘛？
頭看老爸了嘛。
รู้เนี่ย啦，咧咁配啊不男仔你講 straight man。I
mean for 一個 straight man，伊會看到。夠人上嘅 experience 一看到，特別伊
冇感覺咯，
冇感覺嘛哦，所以伊袂記直直想了嘅嘛。
上到我人看到查甫嘅時，你看啊， 我那無是哦，咁水呢？誒無穿衫，我講哦，咁水呢？你看伊皮嘅皮膚嘅骨，你無去看講哇，伊做得 excited 啊，係咪咯
？But then 我每個人嗬，有講成日講 straight A, then in the end it turn into gay 哦。
唔是，I mean 你無 turn 啊 ，you might realize, but 你無 turn into gay。你 might。
I think 嗰時候講我 friend 啊，你講嗬，都我發現啦下咧，是 straight 嘅啦，有個 friend 啦，然後 in the end 我計搶回來，然後
哇，好厲害，
都幾哦。
Well,
okay,
so there's several explanations. There's many explanations. Only a friend can tell you what it ultimately is. He could be bisexual. He could be a closeted gay. A closeted gay. So it's up to him. Like, but it's not important though. The thing is, it's not the label that is important. It's knowing yourself and whether or not you're happy with that person if you want to talk about relationship.
But actually, John, but you say theory, right? I mean, I think many of us say about Kinsey scale, right?
Yeah.
I think the current belief about Kinsey scale is that sexuality is actually fluid.
Yeah.
People you can according to your age, you can be this way or that way.
And also,
then maybe as you grow older, you actually settle down onto it, or maybe not.
Yeah.
人唔是干那一項，還是八項，人是參人是淡薄這裡，淡薄下裡，淡薄下裡。所以你看一人啊，有較濟像個 interest 個大波，還是伊個大波有較濟 interest 個大波，是安尼款了啊，伊淡薄參嘅。
你話你並逼你 skill 哦，我講嘅 skill。Okay, 到底嚟先講到底正手柄是 straight 啦，that means totally 100% 是 heterosexual。你打波嚟講，你是跟那是個查波呢？打波你看到一把條是無波行嘅，OK， 你無線無條無波行嘅。Then 打波啊不 ，on the other side of the scale 咧，一直嚟扎，你看下到正手柄是100%，呢另外一邊是0%，所以查波是 attracted 100% to gay， 所以你跟那看到查波完全無興趣無咩咯。Then the rest of 人嘅了是 fall between 佢哋兩個 extreme， 代表。So 有可能嚟講啦，我how many percent? Actually, what I quite believe in this. So that makes labeling a little bit less important, you know.
我睇這裡是有正嘅 ，because 我有家己經驗了，我係並騙人來隨我事啊！伊人知我讀 out 了，我讀出來了，所以伊人知我是安怎款。所以伊人打波嘅啊，免插蝦米幾歲半免插啊！伊人若是知我是安尼款啊，伊人較應講話嘅話，安尼款嘅物件。所以即個人啊，伊人是個了，伊人是你想講伊人是 straight 嘅啦，伊人成有時間打波，特別伊人有真一隻，伊人有真一隻 questions 啊！你所以我就睇了伊入面伊個心，伊人就會想到了。
Yeah. But those on the extreme hetero scale 嚟嚇。
伊人本無插，伊人是無插嘅。
係你是無插嘅，你無去想無 interest，所以
無。會無想到嚇。
明白我有啊？
困起啊！
Okay, we have about 3 minutes before we have to go off the feed. Hello, everybody. Good morning, everybody. George in Atlanta. Good humor penguin. Yasamado. Everybody, hi, Alex. Oh, Ellen from Texas. Ed Chan, of course, has been here all morning. Ramble Redhead is coming up. We are wrapping up my Penang Hokkien podcast portion of this. We've been recording for almost 3 hours. Yes, that's how we chat. Okay, let's go back to that and finish up our conversation before we go back to Pride 48 with Rambo Redhead.
Oh, look, basic Pride 48 lah.
Aduh, lu kan mong cha cha niya lo.
Baru kunci.
Baru cakap mong cha cha. So Luis, scale. Okay, let's talk about that for the final thing, last thing. Lu put yourself. Let's say lang kong, I can see skill si yung kami. Let's say lang yung percentage 嚟講係了解。
那 click on what was 下隻 link 嚟俾啊？
我都差不多俾可能看是冇，你係 share screen 可能看。
等陣啊。
佢肯 call 啦，伊個即係人講。
是我今日用 iPad 呢，我未做嚟看。
等陣我睇。
我 share。
แล้ว我講啊，你較濟啊，即個homophobic 嘅人啊，要去拍嘅人嘅，伊人啊是較濟，伊人知入邊伊人嘅心有淡薄嘅QQ，
哈哈哈！
哈，然後伊人無
半球，
哈，伊人半球本，伊人無暑假，伊人驚。
OK，所以人看這，若是講狂交幾，伊是狂交6啊？狂交6。
辣呀，辣到爆膠啊！
辣是 full 啊嘛。
辣是 full 啦 ，according to his skill。所以嚟講嚟就係，嚟 quickly before 嚟 fit 了個出腦很正個。Y scale I think it's okay. Which way is what? Heterosexual is on the left, right? Okay. So I think 6.
What?
6 maybe 5.9.
What's your
No. I think okay. I have to be 6. Oh, 4.5. I think I have to be 6 because I have no interest. But if I'm forced to, I could probably still function. But that's not because I'm attracted to it. It's because of the physical contact and all that. So I think I'm a 6. Lang ne? 4.5. 4.5 in Gotiong.
I'm 6.
You're 6, okay, good. And
4.8. What's your
John.
Yes, tao ghé.
One guy is 6 咯。
6, okay, good. Vivi Wawa?
6.
Vivi Wawa 7.
Out of skill.
Okay. Mama go quick. 6. Okay. Alright, thank you everybody. Okay, let's come to the show about 8 seconds. Okay, thank you everybody for participating in the chat room long to hang out and stay, huh? Thanks for those who are in the Pride 48 chat room. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you Ed Chen for doing so. I'm gonna go offline now so that Rambo Redhead can come on. Bye. Okay, ilang pa tapi lah.
Ya, ngeo cibai ni dia.
Sayang buddy. Okay.
我係拍隻功課啫。
拍。
我係 share screen 你冇落呢個事。
係咪嘅？等一人來。Okay， 拜拜，拜拜。
OK， 拜。
你講得。
咗啦，見咩嗰個 recording 佢哋一度嘅比較嚇。
咱補充嘅使。
OK， 等陣我 try 下。OK。Can you all see this?
Yes. Yes.
On my screen. On my screen. Can you all see it?
Yes.
Audio. Very off story 我已經做咗嘅話。
Okay, please let your friends know. Okay, actually I run the anonymous HIV testing service for gay men. This is the details about it. On the first and third Friday of the month, it's at the NGO office in Era Road. Okay, so it's open for all gay men, no? Okay, but anyone whatever sexuality also.
Okay. So it's open for everybody lah. What day though?
First and third Friday.
So it's an ongoing thing, right? So why is I post? Okay.
Yes, we have been going on for many years.
Look, on the screen, through what email?
呀，阮走了，我驚發燒。
哦，OK，
拜南西，
拜拜。
OK，等陣我冚喂，係我冚 end 嘅 show 啊，感謝各位聽眾收聽，希望咱會較了解淡薄咱 QQ 嘅人嘅生活。Bye bye, Daddy love you, bye bye。哎呦，
不多要，哇，不多要了，
不多要成行啊！แล้วก็希望咧，到底係收聽我人把這下禮拜講嘅話題了，個有啲要見就是讓佢去報名了人嘅食請，就會咁樣咩去學類啊，較早人學類嘅人有攤special gift 啊，แล้วก็有我人嘅多嘅。本期報名我嚟多檳城福建多，我嚟 website 咧幫嘢就是 penanghokkien.com/dinner， 還是 penanghokkien.com/tour， 即係咧就是有人係取到 more information，OK， 然後就俾佢 register 學女啊 comment，because 嘅尤其是只請了咩學女 ，because 我哋會去學訂讀啊，特別用女手特別去訂讀學女，然後去 register，and then 多誒 only 40個人呢，干40個人會去呢。應該點啊？你有會去多，還是干食 dinner 呢？
我愛去多，特別我都被拍過個我媽個親戚就愛去啦，特別我唔知我媽會知掉。去到路人去到個 KL 了都對去啊，安尼隻。
感謝各位聽眾收聽，我成日講話特別嘅邊啲禮拜就是走去了秋千加坐墊啦，同埋了個按摩啦，了微微娃娃啦，金配啦，毛毛菇，阿
蕉，
奧迪都阿蕉，加英國店。
拜拜。
感謝各位聽眾收聽，禮拜再見，你聽啲真咁無聊。